Discovering the mysterious axolotls. Meet axolotls, nature's wonder with a perpetual smile. Fascinating aquatic creatures, full of peculiar and delightful surprises. Do you know axolotls can regenerate? From their limbs to spinal cord, they can rebuild it all, a true marvel of nature. Axolotls come from Mexico City's ancient water systems. A heart-wrenching reality is that these cute creatures are now critically endangered in the wild. Their alien-like appearance is enchanting. Axolotls flaunt external gills that look like headdresses, setting them apart from other creatures. Did you know these adorable amphibians can live up to 15 years? Their lifespan can stretch even longer in captivity. But what tops their intriguing traits is their perpetual youth. Axolotls are the Peter Pans of the animal kingdom, staying young forever. Join us as we dive deeper into the magical world of axolotls. Unravel their mysteries and witness the charm of these extraordinary creatures.